we are on our way to UP kasi reunion namin, our Jubilarians. Yay! We have all the chicken here and iced water kag ice cold. Hala, hindi magandar sila yan. Okay, let's go. Woo! So, we are now here at UP High. UP Co-op update. Ito na po yun. These are our classrooms. Look. And in front of me, a little theater there. Of course, we have food stalls here, Blue Kitchen. They got food in here, morning. Let's proceed to the auditorium. Thank you so much, Pepsi. Hi, Mom. Good morning. We are now here. Hi, Mom. Good morning. Converge, our partner for this live. Thank you. Morning. And more products. Hi, good morning. Manong. Thank you. Woo! Coffee and hot dog. Yay! Good morning! Hi, Mom! Hi! Wow! Good morning! Good morning! Hi! Good morning! Hi! Morning, morning! Okay, let's get one. Let's get two. So fun! My favorite kakanin. Thank you, batch 87. Bye-bye. Yung favorite to color white, pero let's try this color brown. Really mango! Teacher ko!
My JTAC president.
Yes!
Harap si Sir Brian JTAC.
Woo! 84. Faculty. 79!
Oh yes.
Batch 1979. May pito ba? 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Stop, stop, clap! Stop, stop, clap! Stop, stop, clap! Galupok! Galupok! 45! 1979! Sapphire! We are on fire!
As we look around, we can see familiar faces as mentioned earlier. This is more than just a reunion. It's a homecoming. A return to the place where many of our dreams took root. It is a reminder that no matter where life takes us, this place will always be a part of who we are and a place where we can come home to. This is home to all of us.
Yes, prizes are here. Raffle. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 lechons are here. Thank you. He's here. Hey, this is what I'm waiting for. Thank you. Yay, batch 84. Yay. Yes, this is I Am UP High food trip. Oh, food trip. Bukas na niya may nakuha na ni Kagina ha. Uy, wala mo ko nadakpan. Wala kami nakita na. Hi! Sino niya? Hindi yun ako pagpamangkuta kung sanong bata importante madaw kita karon sa raffle.
Through your generosity, the humble grounds of our high school have undergone remarkable transformations. Beyond every classroom that you have adopted, you have given UPHSI a new dream to pursue, a new model to emulate, and a new opportunity to claim. You did not only renovate classroom, you did not only build classroom and provided for facilities to improve the facilities that we are now enjoying, but you are building a brighter future.
Ang atong ginpulihan sang two alumni homecoming sa arena na that is just one example. It is a good time for us to gather and renew our ties and strengthen our connection, because we are stronger, no? We are stronger when we are together and we are connected, but we cannot connect mula kita nagakita ay. That is why I am UPI and Golden Day is very important. Importante nga nga kita.
Gentlemen, as of 3 p.m. this afternoon, the pledges for UP High School in Iloilo has reached...
Ako nung isa.
UPI na!
Wow! Batch
2050.
Yay! Cheers!
Cheers! The festivities later. So everyone, bon appetit.
We remember this is where we had our first acquaintance party. We had our first dance at this hall. But most importantly, some of you may forget it. This is where I played basketball. Our intramurals we played. If the court was raining, we would play basketball here. And there was a top-notch badminton training facility here. And we would play with badminton all afternoon. This is a day of an afternoon of singing and dancing, and this is the best place because Ma'am Coral, Ma'am Tridon, Sir Sumerido, and Sir Ravina would be up there watching all over us to practice our singing and dancing. As I said, I feel very small because all of this is because of all our classmates and because of all of you. So I'd like to thank you all.
We were very, very keen to show to the world that it can be done by Filipinos. So we have sequenced more than 56,000 COVID-19 variants, and these are all done locally. Okay, so that is an indication of the level and the deepness of talent that we have here in the country. We have very talented young people. We have very talented professionals. What probably is needed is to have more mentors. So we have a lot of talented young people, but they really need to be mentored.
You know, it is also in gatherings like this that we become aware not only of our identity as Goldies, we also become aware, very clearly aware, of our capacity to make a difference in our communities.
Let's count our blessings. We have 50, another 50, 100, plus 100, that's 200. 220, 240, ay may nagabukasan niya wallet, ito may madugang mo, 250, 255, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, and 265 bucks for my first concert. Thank you so much. I am UP High, and to all my batch 2009, 5 years after kamunang ma-perform sa stage. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me in this vlog.
Jubilarian class and your representative, and let's give everyone a round of applause, please.
Done! And ito ang ako ng mga pod kanina. Si John. Bunigaling na Johnny Christian.
Basta pa ako pa!
Channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspire!